Good afternoon, lovelies. This is going to be really, really quick. I'm heading out the door. Nice weekend planned, lots of family, lots of fun, so I might as well enjoy it. Okay, so there's so much trauma on the planet at the moment. This one is for everyone who is feeling it, for everyone who's feeling the loss of friendships, the loss of loved ones, the arguing, the anger, the frustration, that stuff that's going on just everywhere at the moment, that incessant energy that's coming at us from every direction, is just to help to bring us back into the present and remind you that if you are here and now, in this now moment, you're okay and you're making a choice. So it's just to bring us back in. Let's bring us back in. Let's release the trauma from ourselves. Let's allow ourselves to live our best life in this now moment. In this now moment. Okay, part 2.